Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to switch your layout in Filmora video editing software. Use different types of layout as the case may be in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, this is by default layout in Filmora. However, you might decide to use another layout entirely in Filmora video editing software. For that, what you want to do here is to come to the top right here, go ahead and click on view, then go to layout mode. By default, you have a default right here. You can decide to choose organize. So when you click on organize, in a few seconds, everything will going to be rearranged just like what you see right here. So you have your project tab organized this way, and then you have your timeline right here. You have your media pane right here, and you have your project panel preview right here. You have all buttons right here. However, you might decide not to use this type of layout, maybe because you do not like the way and manner the timeline is being arranged. Then you can go back to the top right here, go ahead and click on view, then layout mode. Then you can decide to check on timeline option. So when you check on timeline options, it will return back to these options right here and adding a fantastic timeline into the section. You can go back to view right here, layout mode. If you are the type that want to create a short video, you can switch to short right here. Go ahead and click on short, and it's going to give you full entire new space of a short video. Like for instance, if I decide to delete this particular landscape video right here from my timeline, and I decide to drag and drop in a video view from my phone, click on OK, then you have a short timeline right here. So what we can do here is that we can change on aspect ratio. So right here, we can easily come down below right here and change my aspect ratio to 9:16. Then we have it right here without any stress. So we can go on and change to different types of layout mode in Filmora video editing software. However, we can go back to view, layout mode, and restore back to our default setting and layout in Filmora video editing software, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.